Serikali ye kaunti ya Homa Bay nigo yachakire obwagachi bwe nyomba y'obobwania bwa bwango na bali banyorire emibasukano bwe chishilingi chimilioni chimibere.
This is a place where we want to move our outpatient department so that we can now embark on construction of an accident and emergency center. The accident and emergency center that is going to come here, how many? Yeah, is a 5-story building that is going to be the face of Homa Bay County Teaching and Referral Hospital. Within the next 18 months, we will be back here in October next year to open, God willing, and God giving us life, this accident and emergency center for Homa Bay County Teaching and Referral Hospital. We have in the budget, this budget and the coming budget, about 200 million shillings, which we will use for purposes of this accident and emergency center. And our priority as a county, we have decided, is to improve our health care. We will improve this hospital, the Homa Bay County Teaching and Referral Hospital. Dr. Mulwa, one of the discussions we had with the Cabinet Secretary was elevation of this hospital to a level 5 facility. And we have had Dr. Kioko, I think, and his team. They have come here, they are doing assessments. We are continuing to improve. We are on a continuous improvement mode until the time that we will satisfy the requirements for a level 5 facility so that we can have this facility as a level 5 facility. Another big priority that we have after the accident and emergency is going to be a mother and child hospital. Because right now, since we came here, the pediatric ward has now, Sister Carol, there are 3 times the number that is supposed to be there. Even the maternity is not sufficient. So we want to have a mother and child so that we can do that. We are also in the process of putting up a new mortuary. So we are putting a funeral parlor so that we can have a decent place to have our loved ones. Now that this has taken off, together with the health team, we want to put our focus in the other level 4 facilities together with the level 3 and level 2 facilities so that we can address healthcare at the very basic level. Because if we can address healthcare at the very basic level, we will free up this facility so that only serious cases of referrals can come here. Between the time we launched the OPD and now, the other main thing that we have done, as promised to our community health volunteers, is to begin to pay them their stipend, and we are now paying the CHVs their stipend into their mobile wallet, which means that every single CHV is receiving their money on their phone. 2,954, and we are paying all of them. Thanks to the Assembly for putting money in that budget. We have paid them for January, we're going to pay them for February, for March, and we're going to come up to speed and pay them every month together with the salaries for the staff. I also want to assure our staff, last month we had a bit of a delay, but this month we are back on track. So we are going to be having our salaries on time so that we do not have any delays in the salaries of our staff.
I am here on behalf of the Cabinet Secretary, Madam Susan Wafula Nakumicha. Your Excellency, from the Ministry of Health perspective, we are here to walk through the journey with you, to support you where you require equipment, where you require our technical support. As a ministry, we will walk through the journey with you so that immediately the facility is complete, we will have all the facilities that you require and support that you require from the ministry, including the technical capacity to operationalize the accident and emergency center. We will work with you. As a Vice Chair of the Council of Governors Health Committee, you are aware of the big plans that the government has in terms of delivering universal health care for the people of Kenya.